everyone, I'm Allison Greedle. I make videos on makeup, marketing, and motherhood. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell to be notified of new uploads. Please stay tuned for today's video on how to make these donuts out of biscuits in the air fryer. A healthier alternative to a favorite breakfast donuts. So thanks for joining in. Stay tuned. Air fryer preheating at 350 for about 5 minutes. I'm going to use these Grand's biscuits. The ones I have popped are the buttermilk biscuits instead of the butter tasting. And then just going to use this circle cookie cutter and cut out the middles of each of the donuts or the biscuits. There we go. Then we'll use the middle as well to do little donut holes.
Well, what are you doing?
Making donuts. Do you want to help me? Got my helpers here with me today. Do you want to help? Yeah, you can do it. Do you want to cut one? We only have a minute left in the air fryer preheating. I'm excited about this. I used this recipe a couple years ago to fry the donuts, and they turned out really good. So I'm excited to try it with the air fryer. I don't know what it's like by you guys today, but it's cool fall weather here today. So perfect for donuts.
So they appear. Cookies appear.
All right. One more left. Do you want to do it? This is Bentley. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Wave.
Wave.
All right. Can you push this down? Shake it. Shake, 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 shake. There. What do you think about that? You like it?
I don't know.
Well, now we're going to spray the pan, the air fryer. We're going to put our donuts in, and Mommy's going to do this because it's hot. We're just going to put 3 in at a time so that they're not too close together.
I will help you.
Okay. And we're going to do it for about 6 minutes. Press start. There we go. And we'll see you in about 6 minutes.
6 minutes.
While our donuts are frying, we're going to make our frosting. So we're just going to use a little powdered sugar. And we're going to measure real precisely. Oh, I have another helper moving our camera. There, sorry. Okay. Now we're going to add a little bit of milk. Right there. Can you stir it for me? Use this spoon. Mix it, mix it, mix it. those look? What do you think? Those look pretty yummy, don't they? All right, so we're gonna let those ones cool before we put frosting on them. And I'm gonna spray again and put in another round of donuts. Okay, welcome back. So I also have some honey and some cinnamon sugar here for our donut holes. All right, watch out, bud. I'm gonna take these out. Let me just move it out of the way. Whoopsies. Moved our whole station. All right, I'm gonna put them in here and then roll them with the fork. I'm gonna take that one out and I'll leave these ones in there so they stay warm while we're rolling. Okay, so we're just gonna roll it over in the honey. Since we didn't use oil, I wanted to do something so that the cinnamon sugar would stick. Now we'll dump it in the sugar. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Tap, 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 tap. Dump it. Boop. Is this fun? Tap, tap, tap. Okay, now drop the fork in here. Now we're gonna take the spoon and make sure we can swirl them. Make sure that our donut holes, oh, I thought you were gonna sneeze. Don't sneeze in the food. No. Oh, good thing these are just for us.
Achoo.
Achoo. All right. One donut hole done. Here, let's show the camera. Careful. Mmm, nummy, nummy, nummy. All right, we're just gonna drop it on this. Smile. Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
All right, but what is it time to do now?
I don't know. Eat it.
Eat it?
Yeah.
It's time to eat your donuts?
Yeah.
All right.
Crazy.
Tell me, what do you think? Try it.
This one's hot.
It's not hot.
It is.
Take a bite. What do you think?
I put these in bucket.
You what?
I put in bucket for now. But what these in
You want to put it with the other ones? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
You like it?
This one out.
Sure, you can try that one.
No, and a pickle on it. I eat it.
Okay.
It's dirty.
That's just cinnamon sugar, honey.
Like this.
Your watermelon? You say it's delicious?
So
Is it delicious?
Mm-hmm.
Can I take a bite?
This one?
Yeah. Yeah? Want me to take a bite?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
Delicious.
Oh, no.
Tell everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe. Put thumbs up. See you next time.
See you next time.